Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make memory in CrushOn AI. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the CrushOn AI app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen you can see options like explore, search, create, messages and your profile. Well, to create a profile memory, you're gonna have to start a chat. If you already have a conversation saved and make it as a memory, open the conversation. Once you open the conversation, go to top right corner where you're gonna find three-dot menu. Tap on it, then select Save Memory from the menu that just appeared on your screen. Now select the conversation that you want to save as memory, then tap on Save from the bottom right corner. Now you're gonna have to select the access. I'm gonna keep it private, but you can choose any of those from the screen, then tap on Done. Now select Save Memory, then you can find that memory on your profile. And guys, that's it. That's how you create memory on CrushOn AI. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.